Nothing defines the strength of the United States better than its commitment to supporting American values around the world. And the cornerstone of this strength is the U.S. military and the thousands of brave men and women who proudly serve their country. Fulfilling this honored role in the world is no simple task, and critical to the ongoing mission of the U.S. military are these two key factors: maintaining manufacturing excellence and providing effective training. There is an organization that is uniquely qualified to support this mission. This is Arvin Global Solutions. Arvin Global Solutions, or AGS, is a coalition of top technical experts who are highly experienced in a full range of manufacturing and the training of people. To fully understand AGS, we need to go back to the era of the Berlin crisis, when a young Spec 2 named Joe Arvin was stationed in Germany with the U.S. Army. Facing the threat of open conflict with the Soviet Union, Joe first began to understand the vital importance of having your people well-equipped and well-trained. It was a lesson he would remember for the rest of his life. In the years that followed, Joe rose through the ranks of the gear manufacturing industry, becoming a recognized leader and eventually the president of Aero Gear Company. Joe played a pivotal role in building Aero Gear into a leading producer of aerospace gearing for the world market. In fact, Aero's products have been used in the most advanced aerospace systems ever produced by our civilization, including the F-22 and Joint Strike Fighter. Aero was also involved in supporting other defense systems like the KC-135, CH-53K, M109 howitzer, and APCs. But Joe's passion for manufacturing went beyond his work at Aero Gear. For the past 30 years, Joe has been an activist for the U.S. industrial base, citing its critical role in defense preparedness and the economic health of the nation. He has made countless speeches to business and civic groups on this subject and was invited to testify before Congress, the Defense Logistics Agency, and the Institute for Defense Analyses, many years before others began waving the red flag about the decline of the U.S. industrial base. His views were also presented in his 2009 book entitled A Nation on Borrowed Time. Joe was also credited with providing the missing link which helped the CIA discover how the Soviets acquired the U.S. technology for silent submarines. But that's a story for another day. While at Aero Gear, Joe had experienced firsthand the shortage of skilled workers in manufacturing long before many were addressing this problem. In response, Joe initiated a comprehensive video-based training system for his workforce, a system that was the first of its kind in the gear industry. After retiring from Aero Gear in 2014, Joe still had much more to contribute. For this reason, in 2015, he founded Arvin Global Solutions, a consulting firm with a mission to help manufacturers succeed in today's global market. Joe had a broad vision for this venture. Since he was on a first-name basis with many of the top technical experts in American manufacturing, he focused on harnessing this network. The result is an AGS roster of 150 individuals whose expertise encompasses all aspects of manufacturing and training. And to deepen this pool of expertise, AGS has forged a close affiliation with the Illinois Institute of Technology. AGS is unlike other consulting firms. Whereas other firms will provide guidance in the overall operation of the business, typically working with C-suite executives and directors, AGS provides the hands-on expertise at lower levels of the operation to solve real manufacturing problems and to train people. With this extensive roster of expertise, Joe also continues to address the training needs of industry through the AGS Manufacturing Training Series. These seminars address a wide range of topics. And to expand the reach of these training services, AGS has partnered with an organization that provides e-learning solutions. This state-of-the-art platform, which integrates artificial intelligence, provides self-paced, measurable training a highly effective technique for meeting the training objectives of a wide range of operations. Putting this all together, AGS is an extremely unique organization, one that is proud to stand with our armed forces in support of their mission for maintaining manufacturing excellence and providing highly effective training.